Question: of the following, which was the first development financial institution started in India? Option A, IDBI. Option B, NABARD. Option C, LIC HFL. Option D, IFCI. Answer: option D, IFCI. Question: which of the following insurance company has reinsurance business? Option A, LIC of India. Option B, Oriental Insurance Company Limited. Option C, GIC of India. Option D, United India Insurance Company Limited. Answer: option C, GIC of India. What is the meaning of the Latin word audire? Option A, to hear. Option B, to find. Option C, to check. Option D, to note. Answer: option A, to hear. Audit notebook is maintained by whom? Option A, client's clerk. Option B, auditor. Option C, client. Option D, audit clerk. Answer: option B, audit clerk. Which of the following statement is most suitable to an audit report? Option A, it is fault finding report of audit. Option B, it is a report of errors and frauds. Option C, it is an opinion of the auditor. Option D, it is always statutory report. Answer: option C, it is an opinion of the auditor. As per Indian Companies Act 2013, Section 139, an individual auditor on appointment shall hold the office for a term of option A 10 years, option B 1 year, option C 4 years and option D 5 years. Answer: option D 5 years. On completion of an audit, audit working papers are: option A, returned to the client. Option B, retained by the auditor. Option C, submitted along with the audit report. Option D, destroyed immediately. Answer: option B, retained by the auditor. Question: which of the following statement is wrong with the regards to an internal auditor? Option A, has statutory powers. Option B, appointed by the management. Option C, is an advisor to management. Option D, can be removed at any time. Answer: option A, has statutory powers. Question: non-recording a transaction in the books of account is treated as an error of option A, duplication. Option B, omission. Option C, compensating. Option D, commission. Answer: option B, omission. Question: as per Companies Act 2013, remuneration of the first auditor of a company is fixed by whom of the following? Option A, Registrar of Companies. Option B, first general body meeting. Option C, as per rates shown in Act schedule. Option D, Board of Directors. Answer: option D, Board of Directors. Question: who appoint auditor in the case of a government company or any other company owned or controlled directly or indirectly by the government as per Companies Act 2013? Options: A, Board of Directors. Option B, respective government. Option C, CAG of India. Option D, Registrar of Companies. Answer: option C, CAG of India. Which of the following statement is wrong with regards to internal check? Options: A, it is a part of internal control. Option B, it is done by appointed auditor. Option C, it is continuous in nature. Option D, it is to eliminate errors and frauds. Answer: option B, it is done by appointed auditor. Question. Following are the names of tables of random numbers except option A. Tippett's table of random numbers. Option B. Kendall and Babington Smith numbers. Option C. Lucas table of random numbers. Option D. Fisher and Yates numbers. Value of probability lies between option A minus and plus 1, option B 0 and 1, option C 0 and 1 but cannot be 1 or 0, option D none of the above. Answer option B 0 and 1. Two unbiased coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting at least one tail? Options A 3 by 4, option B 1 by 2, option C 1 by 4, option D none of the above. Answer option A 3 by 4.